All right, welcome to the video tutorial on the Create a Story video tool. And this tool is literally amazing because it takes 3 video clips and merges them and produces them into one video. It's like your mini explainer story video tool. So let's go ahead and click into that. So the first thing you're going to see is you want to send this up to a happy customer or even send this to yourself to create maybe some FAQ videos. But let's go ahead. Let's use this as an example for capturing a guided video testimonial. So first thing you want to do is enter happy customers, email, first name, and then their last name. And the next thing you want to do is you want to fill out these 3 story topics. And this works twofold. One, it'll address what question needs to be answered or statement needs to be addressed. And 2, the platform will take this white background with black text and add that to the video itself. So let's go ahead. You could use this as a guided video testimonial. So you could put in, how was our onboarding process? Next could be, how was the implementation? We correct that there of our process. And then third could be, tell us about the results. So you'll come through it, you'll pick your music just like we did before. You'll build your call to action. You can see what it looks like down here. You include a phone number, your email. You can upload a full color graphic here, all that kind of good stuff. But I want to come back up to the story topics because I really want to emphasize how amazing this is in producing a video. So when you send a request out for a story video, and we'll hit send now, right? And then what you're going to see, the person will see on the other end, will see each one of these statements or each one of these questions. They'll click to record their answer. They have 30 seconds to record each answer or make a video about each statement. And they'll hit send, submit, and then they're done. The platform's going to take the video and produce it, starting with the logo. It'll fade out. It'll fade in text form. How was our onboarding process? It'll fade out and then bring up that up to 30 second video answer. Fade out, then I'll go to how was the implementation process? We'll fade up on screen, fade out, 30-second answer, fade back in, tell us about the results, fade out, and then 30-second boom video answer. Fades out with the call to action, call today and learn more. This will fade out, and then the logo will fade up of your business. So fully produced mini explainer video ready to go. This is one you definitely want to play around with. Send one to yourself. Play around with it. Do that for all the tools. Send yourself a request for a video testimonial and create a story video for yourself. So that's the quickest way to learn it. So hope you enjoyed this video. The next video you want to watch on is going to be on how to send video email. Love me some video email. We'll see you over there.